good, Mommy.
Thank you. Should we do another one?
And the gold one.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one. There.
There's the gold one. Wow. That was a big one.
It's a little one.
It's in your hand.
That's little one.
Whoa.
Do the little baby.
That's a little baby yellow one.
Whoa, it's a big one.
Whoa.
Tall.
It's a big one.
What's that? It's a good one.
That's a crimson one.
There we go.
Yep.
Only this one.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Next page? Here, one page. Wow. Crimson one. Oh, one page.
There we go. That
Oh, wow, what's that?
butterfly.
It's a butterfly, Luna. Wow. That's so pretty.
To the rainbow.
Rainbow. Should we start with this one? Purple. Let's do backwards. Blue.
To the little one. It's a baby one.
Oh, green. Yellow.
To the baby one.
Yellow. Gold.
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 Orange. Yep, that's right.
So,
Thank you. Orange.
that.
Yeah, crimson. No, this one's crimson. And then the red. Okay, I have the red. Thank you. Should we do purple again?
Little baby
What? That's so sweet. Is that butterfly living underneath the rainbow?
one. And that.
One page. Oops. Oh. Yellow
That.
one. Two hands. Two hands. Oh.
Choo choo. Choo choo.
Is that a train?
Choo choo. Choo 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 choo. Go. To the baby. To the baby butterfly.
The little baby butterfly. Right here. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep.
It's to the big one.
Big butterfly. Big butterfly. Big butterfly.
Big.
Big butterfly. Big butterfly.
Big butterfly.
Where's he flying to?
Up in the air.
Where'd he go?
See?
Is this the daddy of this baby?
One page.
Next page. One page. Here, we just take one.
Big one.
Wow, Luna, that's amazing. Polka dots with two hands? Ooh, look at that.
Circle.
Circle. Wow, Luna. Is that a sun?
It's a circle.
It's a circle.
It's a... Whoa! Oh no.